How are you going to body shame that man and call him a fat bitch and still want to give him a kiss when you meet him? I mean, him featuring you in his video was enough. Why lean in for a kiss, Musa? We are talking about none other than the Pope of pop culture, Musa Khawula, and our real cupcake, Sol Phenduka. This is a combination of hilarious, funny, and embarrassing at the same time. Watch it for yourself.
Oui, oui, oui! Le boucher! Aïe! Musa! The name is not Musa Khawula, Musa!
Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News Ninjani. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because honey, you do not want to miss the drama we are serving today. So picture this. Our beloved Musa, who is no stranger to stirring the pot, saw Phenduka and thought, you know what, let me spice up this moment with a little kiss, just a little peck on the cheek. Guys, the way he went in, full confidence, no hesitation. But spoiler alert, Usol was not having it. That rejection was so cold but funny. We know Usol will turn anything into a joke. Let's face it, guys, God, no matter how gay you are, you will always be a man to another man. Amadoda, what's up, Zani? Musa. Usol was really caught off guard here and he might have dodged that kiss, but the way he handled it, Shem, I gave it to him. It was smooth like butter. He just laughed it off like a pro. And honestly, I think that's how you know he's truly straight, no awkwardness. Uzote umbethe umntu ngenxa yebana ezame ukuphuza. No, it was just pure unapologetic, like no thanks bro, and then we move. That's it. Musa Khawula is always going to make sure we have something to talk about. The man's got more drama than a season finale of a reality TV show. Okay, what would have happened though if he let him kiss him? I'm thinking, okay, maybe that clip also would have went viral. But imagine, because Sol's daughter now is old enough to check the socials. And imagine she comes across that, like, Daddy, why is another daddy kissing you? And then Sol would have now to give this child a lesson if he hasn't already, an unnecessary one at this point, and also have to explain, Daddy, why were you caught in that situation? Is it a conversation we are ready to have? I don't know. What do you think? Was this a major fail on Musa's part, or was Sol being a little too extra with the rejection? Drop your thoughts in the comments because, honey, this tea isn't going anywhere. We've still got a lot more where that comes from. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. You know I've got more hot gossip coming your way. Stay tuned. Bye.
When now Sir PG, when now Bajalo, when now what Pfizer, when now what Pal. You know that song, bitch?